Welcome students of class 10 in the period of geography. We are seeing the types of soil erosion. In the last class we have studied soil erosion by water, in which you saw 5 types of soil erosion. Number 1 was sheet erosion, number 2 reel erosion, number 3 gully erosion, number 4 sea or shore erosion, number 5 stream bank erosion. Those were the types of soil erosion that is done by moving water. Today we will see the soil erosion due to human action. Several activities of human also lead soil erosion, in which we see mainly these 3: deforestation, shifting cultivation and overgrazing. Deforestation is cutting of trees. Every year 47,500 hectares are cleared from vegetation. So as the vegetations are destroyed, the soil becomes loose, and that loose soil is eroded easily by the agents of erosion such as water, wind and etc. So due to deforestation, as the vegetations are cleared, then the phases of soil erosion starts. That starts from sheet erosion. Continuous sheet erosion is changed into reel erosion, and that is extended to gully erosion. So deforestation is the main cause of soil erosion in India. Due to this rate of cutting of trees every year, 47,500 hectares. Now second human action is shifting cultivation. That is also one cause of soil erosion. What is this shifting cultivation? In rural areas, especially the tribal people, those live beside the forest region, they cut the trees for their daily lives, and they use that barren land for the cultivation. So what are you saying? At first the trees are cleared, then in that land the cultivation is done, but this cultivation is done for short period. After 2 or 3 years, the nutrients or the fertility of that soil is destroyed, and the people shift to another place to clear the forest region and to utilize that cleared land for the cultivation. So this shifting from one place to another place for cultivation is called shifting cultivation. Now we can understand, as the last utilized land is left without any use, that is left as barren land, so there is no vegetation and the soil becomes loose, and that loose soil is eroded easily. So time to time they change their region of cultivation, the place of cultivation, and the last used place, the last used region, the last used land is left barren. From there soil erosion starts under shifting cultivation. Third is overgrazing. Overgrazing is the uncontrolled grazing of cattle. Uncontrolled grazing means grazing again and again in the same land. So what happens? Ultimately the vegetations are destroyed, the roots are uprooted and making the soil loose, and that loose soil is eroded easily due to overgrazing. So these were the human actions, those are involved in soil erosion. First is deforestation, that is the cutting of trees. Second is shifting cultivation, that is the wrong practice of cultivation. And third is overgrazing, that is also a big fault. So due to these 3 human actions, soil is eroded. Now third cause is wind, blowing wind, fast blowing wind. Actually, this fast blowing wind is found in desert area where there is no vegetation to check the speed of the wind, and the small particles of sand are carried away easily. Now, these three sizes of sand particles are classified: 0.1 millimeter to 0.5 millimeter. The size of sand particles of this size hop and jump, and this size of sand particles are called hopping and jumping. Hopping and jumping of this size of sand particles are called saltation. Now, greater than 0.5 millimeter, the sand particles that is greater than 0.5 millimeter can roll on the ground. So those sizes of sand particles are called soil creep. And third is, if the soil particles are less than 0.1 millimeter, then those sand particles remain in suspended form, remain in hanging situation in the air. So these three are based on the sizes of sand particles with the nature of erosion. 0.1 the size of sand particles, that is of 0.1 millimeter to 0.5 millimeter, hop and jump from one place to another, that is called saltation. Then the sand particles that is greater than 0.5 millimeter roll over the ground, that is called the soil creep. And less than 0.1 millimeter sand particles remain in suspended form in the air, that is the suspension. And the most visible soil erosion by wind is this suspension form. The sand particles remain in suspended form, that is the most visible soil erosion. Especially all this soil erosion, the process of all these soil erosions are found in desert area. In this topic, collectively we see the causes of soil erosion. The name of the topic is causes of soil erosion. Number 1 is heavy population pressure on land. As the population is increasing rapidly with fast rate, all the pressure of increased population is exerted on the land. That increased population can use the land for different purposes, such as for agricultural land. They clear the forest for construction of roads, railways, buildings, etc. For this also they clear the forest. So we see all the aspects of increased population that exerts pressure on land, and as the pressure on land increases, that leads to the soil erosion through different processes. Number 2, nature of rainfall. We know the nature of rainfall in India, that only 3 months it rains in India and the remaining 9 months remain dry. When it rains heavily. Due to heavy downpour, there is a situation of flood, and remaining 9 months the months remain dry, so during that time there is a situation of drought. Both the situations, the situation of flood and the situation of drought, lead the soil erosion. Third is overgrazing. Overgrazing, you know that uncontrolled grazing by the cattle, and we know in India there is a largest number of cattle. In India there is a largest number of cattle in the world. So these animals, these cattle are left in the land for grazing, and they graze again and again in the same land. Ultimately, the vegetations are uprooted, making the soil loose, and that loose soil is eroded easily by moving water or by moving wind or by any other agent. Third is bad farming technique. Under this point, the bad technique farming of Indian farmers are also responsible for the soil erosion, such as in among Indian farmers, they have almost the small land holdings. What is this small land holding? As they have the small area for agriculture, they have very small agricultural lands. These small agricultural lands are not good for the preservation of the soil. That accelerates the soil erosion. Second is absence of terrace farming. What is this terrace farming? This terrace farming is the scientific method of farming that is practiced on the slope of the hills. Terraces are made, means that slope is changed into terraces, so that the speed of moving water on the slope can be reduced. And if they do not make the terrace, absence of terrace farming, it is written here, this is the factor of soil cause. It means if they do not make the terraces on the slope of the hills, then the running water will run without any obstacles, and that will be the cause of soil erosion. Next is contour cultivation. Actually, this is the process of plowing of the agricultural field. It is said that agricultural field should be plowed in the direction of the slope. If we plow in anti-direction of the slope, then the loose soil particles will be eroded easily. Third is crop rotation. Crop rotation says time to time we should change the pattern of crops, and there should be no fixed pattern of cultivation of crop. This increases the nutrients, this increases the fertility of the soil, and the soil is not left barren. Next is improper use of manure. Improper use of manure means when the farmers want to produce more and more grain from the agricultural land, then the farmers use maximum fertilizer, maximum manure to increase the productivity of the soil. This increased maximum use of manure or maximum use of fertilizer decreases the fertility of the soil, and ultimately the soil becomes unproductive. So as the soil becomes unproductive, there is no more practice of cultivation. That land is left barren, and that barren land leads to soil erosion. Fifth is topography. Northeastern part of India, Shivalik, hilly regions of South India, all these are soil erosion sensitive area, because in this region the hills or the mountains are found, those have a steep slope, and this steep slope accelerates the soil erosion. And the last is deforestation, that the cutting of trees is called deforestation, and this is the most important factor of soil erosion. So under this point we saw the causes of soil erosion. Those are heavy population pressure on land, second is nature of rainfall, third is overgrazing, fourth is bad farming techniques, fifth is topography, and sixth is deforestation.